Hello everyone, ready to meet the world? Here's how to sign up for WeLive. Imagine instantly connecting with people from across the globe, sparking conversations, and making new friends, all with just a few taps. That's the magic of WeLive, the ultimate video, chat, and meet app. But before you dive in, let's get you signed up. Ready? Let's go. First things first. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, grab it now. Search for WeLive Video Chat and Meet on the Google Play Store and hit install. And if you have already got the app, let's create your account. WeLive makes it super easy to get started. You can sign up using Google account, Facebook account or phone number. Google account, the fastest way. Just tap, link and go. Facebook account, connect with your social world in seconds. Phone number, enter your number, receive a verification code and you are in. Pick your preferred method and let's move on. Now comes the fun part, customizing your profile. Pick a unique username. Upload a cool profile picture. First impression matters. Choose wisely. Show off your personality. Write a short bio. Keep it catchy, mysterious or funny. Your call. We are almost there. Grant permissions. Don't skip. To make the most of WeLive's video chat features, this app will ask for camera and microphone access, so you can chat face to face. Location access optional to match you with people nearby. Just tap allow. Boom, you are set. Now you are officially part of the WeLive community. Swipe through profiles and start a chat. Join live video rooms and connect instantly. Make friends, have fun, and enjoy the experience. What are you waiting for? Open WeLive and start exploring the world, one chat at a time. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it.